Most people think being tired is normal. Long hours, endless spreadsheets, and a job that pays the bills but slowly drains the soul. Every day feels the same, and exhaustion becomes a lifestyle. In moments like this, we start dreaming big fast cars, huge houses, and a life that looks free on the outside. But reality hits hard. Savings feel empty. Progress feels tiny, and those big dreams seem farther away than ever. Then something shifts. Not luck, not magic, just understanding. A new perspective appears, and you realize real wealth isn't about working harder, it's about knowing how the system works. The chains don't break by force. They fall apart when knowledge steps in. Suddenly, the old tie feels wrong. The old life doesn't fit anymore. You begin to learn, and learning compounds faster than money ever could. Every skill becomes an asset no one can take from you. You stop scrolling and start studying, not for grades, not for approval, but for freedom. Slowly, health becomes a priority. Stress loses its grip, energy replaces anxiety, and momentum starts to build. Your body moves, your mind clears, and food turns into fuel instead of comfort. Money finally begins to work for you, not just growing, but supporting the life you actually want. You create, you build, and income no longer depends on a single paycheck. Time passes, but instead of feeling stuck, everything improves. You gain something far more valuable than money: time with the people who matter. Travel stops being an escape and becomes a choice. You heap a buck because abundance feels better when it's shared. You see the impact in real faces, real lives, and quiet moments of gratitude. Your voice carries weight now, not because you're louder, but because you're prepared. Fear, financial pressure crumbles. Controller returned. You're no longer rushing through life. You're walking confidently toward your future. And here's the surprising part. The flashy dreams shrink. The sports cars and mansions lose their power. Peace becomes the new luxury. Because having $250,000 doesn't really unlock things. It unlocks options. Time, health, education, choice. That's real freedom, and most people miss it.